DeepSeek V4 just dropped and it's next level when it comes to code. Most people think it's just another version of ChatGPT, but that's not true. It's faster, more precise, and way more capable when you really push it. In this video, I'm not gonna use basic prompts. I'm gonna take it much further, so let's see what this new AI is really capable of. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss the next videos. And the most important, join our free AI newsletter where you get the latest AI news and AI tools. And if you join right now, you'll get the 20 AI tools to use in 2026. The link is in the description. Let's start. First off, you're gonna research for DeepSeek and you're gonna click on the first link. And now you have to click on Start Now to get the free access to DeepSeek. Once you're here, you can either put your phone number or email address and a password. I'm gonna log in with Google right here. And we're now in DeepSeek's interface. As you can see, it's pretty much like ChatGPT. You have the deep think, which is to solve reasoning problems, and you have the search to search the web. And you have either the instance or the expert. To get access to DeepSeek V4, you have to use the expert mode. So I'm gonna click on expert, and my first prompt is to create a fully playable snake game using HTML while adding a score system, increasing speed over time, and smooth animation. And I click on generate. And as you can see, it's now generating the entire code, and it's gonna take between 30 seconds to 2 minutes. The code has been generated, and now you can do three things. You can either copy the code, download the code, or the most important feature is to directly run the code on DeepSeek's website. So you need to click on run. The game works perfectly well, and as you can see, there's all the feature I asked for. I have the button new game to start a new game. When I hit a wall, it's game over, and every time the snake eats an apple, the speed increases. So the user experience is amazing. And now I'm gonna do the second test of this video. I'm still gonna select the expert mode, and this time I'm gonna ask to create a futuristic 3D product concept for smart glasses powered by AI. And I just need to click on generate. As you can see, my prompt is really optimized and now is generating the entire code. And the result is simply gonna be amazing. It's not gonna be a simple video game, but this time really game changer animations. The code is now done and I need to click on run. This is exactly what I asked for. We have the 3D smart glasses powered by AI, and I can zoom in, I can turn to see all of the details, and there's a bunch of elements that are really amazing. You can do it with every object you want. And we're now gonna do the third test, the most impressive. And finally, I'm gonna go back on the main menu, click on expert, and this time I'm gonna ask to build an interactive web slide where the users scroll to discover how AI is transforming the world, and I now generate the entire code. You can now copy your code, download it, or click on run. I'm gonna click on run, and as you can see, the slide is everything I've asked for. We have text, logos, information, and if you give DeepSeek V4 your text, it's gonna include it in the presentation. And as you can see, in the background, you have all of these blue lights, and when I move to the right, it's moving as well. So it's following every movement I am making. As you can see, it's pretty amazing, and you can do as much changes as you want. If you want DeepSeek to go on the web to answer what are the best AI compared with benchmarks, you can click on generate, and as you can see, it already read 9 web pages and is already answering us. So it said, based on the most recent benchmarks from March and April 2026, there is no single best AI model. And so now it listed all of the models with the key strength and the benchmark scores. And finally, it gives us advice on how to choose the right AI. So you can use DeepSeek V4 to create websites, to create video games, to create 3D animations, and to create slides, and many more. And all of this was generated with DeepSeek V4's code. Tell me in the comments what you think about DeepSeek V4. See you in the next video.